Make these high-protein, cheesy egg white bites. They remind me of the ones from Starbucks but are healthier and so easy to make. 2 egg white and roasted red pepper bites at Starbucks is 170 calories, while 2 of my egg white bites are only 80 calories. You can have 4 of my egg white bites over 2 from Starbucks and still be having less calories. So crazy. Each of my bites are only 40 calories and has 5 grams of protein and only uses 5 simple ingredients. This simple recipe just takes 10 minutes to put together. You can store them in the fridge and microwave for 20 seconds to heat them up. A few egg white bites on a soft tortilla makes a great breakfast burrito, or enjoy them on the side with some toast, even as a quick snack. The feta and cottage cheese gives the bites the cheesy, savory taste. It's important to remember to add boiling water to the bottom of the pan when you bake the bites. This gives the sous vide soft effect. This is a perfect recipe to add to your weekly meal prep. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. So Dad, give the egg bites a try.
All right. Pretty good. It's nice and smooth. Light, real cheesy. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it tastes like kind of like a quiche, like a cheesy quiche.
Thanks. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.